In this video, I'm going to show you how to view fantasy sports content on YouTube TV so you can stay updated with the latest insights, analysis, and highlights for your fantasy leagues. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers a variety of sports networks and dedicated content that can help you dominate your fantasy leagues. Start by signing into your YouTube TV account and navigating to the sports section, or using the search bar to look for specific networks like ESPN, NFL Network, NBA TV, or MLB Network, which often feature fantasy-relevant shows and analysis. If you're looking for live updates, check out live broadcasts of games or pre-game, post-game shows, where analysts discuss player performances and matchups. Additionally, YouTube TV includes access to FS1, Fox Sports, and regional sports networks, which frequently air fantasy-focused segments. To make things easier, use the Library tab to find on-demand content related to fantasy sports. Many networks upload highlights, recaps, and expert discussions that you can watch at your convenience. Another great tip is to enable notifications for specific channels or shows so you never miss an update. Simply go to the channel page and click the bell icon to turn on alerts. If you're a fan of podcasts or niche fantasy content, YouTube TV also integrates with YouTube's vast library, allowing you to search for fantasy-specific creators or playlists. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making the most of your streaming experience. Thanks for watching.